2019 September 10, I guess. Yeah, so today we're going to pick up our Ford Walker we bought here in Power Equipment, our lawn mower. So this is another one is coming for the team. So the trailer is here, as you know already, and the guy is already taking the lawn mower. This time we're going to try this kind of lawn mowers. We have the T25i. Usually we have, actually all of the three ones that we have is T25i, but this time we bought this one because we need it. We have long properties, huge properties, and we need to do mulch. And this we don't have to pick up the grass in the back. So this is our new baby, 52 inches deck. It's a used one. It's almost brand new. It has like 47 hours, something like that. Almost new one. So it's nice. They already checked. They already went through all the process. Everything looks cool. Everything looks okay. One is there. It's going to be taking the lawn mower, checking the gas, the wheels, everything works perfectly.
Now we got to change the blade. Ow! See that bar right there?
So that's they just went over the machine with us. Everything seems to be very good. This is our new baby.